Ni hao, this is Teacher Len o Probinsya ng Igorota. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will be solving ratio and proportion word problems. Let's go, guys! Tada! If a picture frame is 27 centimeter long and 18 centimeter wide, what is the ratio of its length to its width? Okay, so the ratio we are looking is the ratio of length is to width. Okay, what is the length? This is 27 centimeter long. So this is the length. 27 and 18 centimeter wide. So this is the width. 18. Okay. But since there's no 27 is to 18 in these choices, we try to simplify our answer. Okay, 27 and 18 are divisible by 9. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So the answer is letter A. 3 is to 2. Let's try another one. The ratio of the number of carabaos, goats, and cows in a farm is 5:1:2. If there are 48 animals of these kinds in his backyard, how many of them are goats? So what is asked in this problem is the number of goats. What are the given? The given is, the ratio of the carabaos, goats, and cows, which is 5:1:2. And we also have the total number of animals, which is 48. Okay, so how do we solve this? 5:1:2. This is, let's say carabao is A. And then goat is B. And cows is C. Okay. This is A, B, and C. Since we are solving for the number of goats, which is B, this one, we will equate A is to B and C to B. Okay, so we will attack this problem by two equations, two unknowns. So A is to B is equal to, A is 5, B is 1. So if we cross multiply this, this is A times 1 is 1A, or just simply A. And this 5 times B is equal to 5B. Okay, next. Equate C to B. So C is to B is equal to, C is 2 and B is 1. Okay, cross multiply. 1 times C is equal to 2 times B is 2B. Okay, so we will add A plus B plus C is equal to 48. So A plus B plus C is equal to 48. What is A? A is 5B plus, what is B? B. let's just write B plus C. C is 2B is equal to 48. Okay, let's add. Since this is B, we will add this. We will put 1 here. There is 1 here. In every numerical, in every variables, there is a 1, automatic 1 coefficient. So this is 1B. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. This is 8. B is equal to 48. Okay. So we will divide both sides by 8 so we can cancel this. B now is equal to 48 over 8. Okay. B is equal to 6. Therefore, there are 6 goats in his backyards. Okay, let's solve the last problem. The ratio of the number of red, green, and blue marbles in a box is 2:5:6. How many green marbles are there if there are 52 marbles in all? So what is asked here is green marbles. Okay, and what are they given? The ratio 2:5:6 and the total, which is 52. So we will solve for G, green marbles. The ratio is 2:5. 2:5:6. This is the ratio of red is to green is to blue marbles. Okay, we will equate the equation. Since we are looking for G or the green marbles, we'll equate red to green and blue to green. So R over G is equal to R is 2. 2 over G is 5. Okay, cross multiply. This is 5R is equal to 2G. 2 times G is 2G. Okay, so divide both sides by 5 to cancel this. So R now is equal to 2G over 5. Okay, next let's equate B to G. B over G is equal to B is 6 over G is 5. Okay, cross multiply. This is 5B is equal to 6G. Divide both sides by 5 to cancel this one. So B is equal to 6G over 5. Okay, so let's solve now. Red, the total of this red, green, and blue is equal to 52. So red plus green plus blue is equal to 52. Now let's substitute. What is R? R is equal to 2G over 5 plus what is G? G is G. Okay, plus B. B is 6G over 5 equals 52. Okay, how can we add this? So this G must have a denominator of 5 as well, so that we can add the numerator. So what will we do is we will make the 1 here. There's a 1 here. All variables have a numerical coefficient of 1. So, this is now 2g over 5 plus, we'll make this a fraction, 5 over 5. Since the denominator is 5, we will use it here. So, 5 over 5 is equal to 1. This g plus 6g is equal to 52. Okay, we can add now. This is over 5, sorry. Okay. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And the g, 13g. 13g over the denominator is 5 is equal to 52. Okay, cross multiply. This is 13g is equal to 52 times 5. 52 times 5. Okay, so we will divide both sides by 13 to cancel the numerical coefficient of g. So g now is equal to 52 times 5 is equal to 260 over 13. So if you divide this one, 260 over 13 is equals 20. Therefore, there are 20 green marbles in the box.